Namaste. Once again welcome to Raghavendra Yoga channel. Only 20 to 30% of the muscles, joints and ligaments of the body are participating in the daily activities. Rest of the part are becoming inactive. Yoga, in that Yogasanas are the physical exercise, where almost 95 to 99% of the body will get into active mode. Means they will switch it into active mode. They will remain hours ahead, hours together, like more than 24 hours. But you should recharge them before every 24 hours. I wanted to say you should practice Yogasanas daily. They are with thousands of thousands benefits. Now let us see the Yogasanas for daily practice. Now let us see the practical process of few asanas. Those who can't practice for longer time, they can utilize this video. You can practice along. First is Omkara chanting. After that we can do Navasana Kriya. Omkara chanting, prepare yourself to practice. You'll open up for the practice. You get good concentration and memory. That will be more benefited. Join the palms, rest it in front of the chest. Close your eyes gently, inhale deeply, then chant Omkara till exhalation. After chanting 3 times, rub your palms, open your eyes with few blinks. After the chanting, you should rub the palms, create heat, then you should transfer that heat to the eyes, then open your eyes with few blinks. Now, let us go for the practical process. You should chant Omkara. That helps to provide good age also. Now, let us go for the practical process. First, I will teach Navasana Kriya. If you are free, you can do jogging, some warm-up exercise, then you can start. Or you can go for this directly if you are with the short of time. Rest your palms on the ground by side of the thighs. Inhale, raise the legs up 60 degrees. Then fold the legs fold the left leg when you inhale. Then right leg when you exhale. You should join the palms under the thigh. So under the right thigh like this. You get slight stomach ache while practicing. Don't worry, that will get off after few days of practice. Next is Navasana Kriya part 2. Join the palms and interlock the fingers. Rest your palms on the back of the neck. Exhale and take the Right hand front, touch the left. Right elbow to the left knee joint. Raise the legs up 60 degrees. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. You should practice for 30 seconds. Then inhale, stretch the legs front and relax. It gives good warm-up exercise. Also, it helps to flatten your stomach, improves the digestion. Next is Ubhaya Padangushtasana. Very simple asana. You can take wall support if you feel difficult in the beginning. Very easy. Just fold the legs, hold the head toes between the thumb and the first two fingers. Inhale, rise up the legs 145 degrees. Hold the pose for about 60 seconds with the deep breathing. This is very good for severe stomach ache, chest pain, giddiness and blurriness of the eyes, which is caused by excessive pitta. Stay for 60 seconds with the deep breathing. Feel high in the asana. Exhale and take the legs down. Come to the resting pose and relax. Should learn to rest after every asana. After a few days of practice, if you are expertise in this, you can practice continuously. Next is butterfly position. Should fold the legs, join the feet, give movements to the legs like this for 30 seconds. Provide good exercise to the ligaments and joints of the legs. Essential practice for women. This practice tones the ovaries and uterus, helps in menstrual disorders, very good for delay periods. And it's very good for men also, infertility. Then inhale, come to the Sukhasana pose and relax. Next asana is that Padmasana. If you are suffering from severe knee pain, don't go for the practice. If it is a little, you can practice, not an issue. Fold the right leg and rest your right foot on the root of the left thigh. Bend the left knee and rest your left foot on the root of the right thigh. Rub chin mudra in hands. Keep the back and neck erect. Hold the pose for about 60 seconds with the normal breathing. Padmasana. Asana resembles the lotus, hence the name. This asana gives good exercise to all the joints and ligaments of the legs. In this asana, blood vessels are switched, so they become strong. Padmasana prevents varicose veins, elephantiasis and inflammation of the feet. It helps to provide ability and mobility to the legs. You can walk for longer time, easily. Breathe normally. Then inhale, come to the Sukhasana pose and relax. Now, right leg Padmasana is over. Now you should do left leg Padmasana. You should fold the left knee. Means bend the left knee, rest your left foot on the root of the right thigh. Then bend the right knee, Rest your right foot on the root of the left thigh. Adapt chin mudra in hands. No need to keep the hands straight. Bend it little. If you keep the hands straight, your back will get arched. So bend the arms. You can remain straight. Close the eyes gently. Maintain the gentle smile on your face. Hold the pose for about 60 seconds. Today I am making you 30 seconds, Breathe normally. Each asana is a gift to mankind if they do it in the right way. Number of asanas are not the main. Clarity of the means perfection of the asana is essential than that of number of asanas. Practicing even few asanas in the sequence will bring you more benefits. Inhale, come to the Sukhasana pose and relax. Next asana is that Shalabhasana. First, lie on the stomach, rest your palms on the ground by side of the chest. Inhale, raise your chest, head and the legs. Hold the pose for about 60 seconds with the normal breathing. This is called Sukha Shalabhasana. Part 1. Here no need to raise the thighs. Who has undergone recent bypass surgery and abdomen surgery should not do this. Others, all of them can practice, but those who have undergone back surgery 30 days back, even they can also do this. This asana strengthens the spine and ensures its flexibility. So relieves back pain. If the pain is due to stress or strain, asana flattens your stomach and regulates the appetite. Essential asana to recommend high BP patients. Exhale, come to the Makarasana pose and relax. Relax for a while. Makarasana. In Makarasana, hands should be on the shoulders like this. Apart the legs, toes should be sideways. Next one, rest your palms under the thighs like this. Inhale, raise your chest, head and the legs. Hold the pose for about 60 seconds with the normal breathing. Here you should raise the thighs. If you get back pain, you can rest your thighs on the ground. Breathe normally. Here normal breathing. Feel the asana. Here also same benefits. Means benefits are the same as in the case of Sukha Shalabhasana part 1. This is Shalabhasana part 1. Tatra Sthira Sukha Asanam. Tatra means there. Sukha means happiness. Asana means body bending posture. Sthira means should maintain steadiness of the body and stillness of the mind. Sukha means you'll feel happy if you practice the asana without force. Body bending posture having all these rules is called asana. Now exhale, come to the Makarasana pose and relax. Focus on the perfection of the asanas, not on the number of the asanas. Next asana is that Sheshasana. Should rest your palms on the ground in front of the knees. Inhale and expand the stomach. Then exhale and contract. Inhale and take the stomach front. Then exhale and bring it back. This completes the round. You should practice for 60 seconds. Easy asana. You can do it in Sukhasana also. If you are not able to sit in Vajrasana for longer time, you can use Sukhasana also. Inhale and exhale. Keep on practice and listen to me. This asana reduces excessive fat of the stomach, cures constipation and indigestion. Essential asana for diabetic. Very useful for severe constipated patients. Then inhale, come to the Vajrasana pose and relax. Next asana is that Pavana Muktasana part 2. Exhale, bend the knees, bring your thighs on the stomach, press the thighs against the stomach, interlock the arms on the knee joints, keep the head straight. Hold the pose for about 60 seconds with the deep breathing. Here also same benefits. Also this asana, pressurize a little more. Removes the gases accumulated in the digestive tract, smoothens the functions of the abdominal organs. Very good for severe constipation, indigestion and diabetes. This asana removes the toxins from the body. That helps to provide good immunity power. 60 seconds. Then inhale. Take the legs front. Come to the Shavasana pose and do Shavasana. Part the legs. Part the hands. Keep 1 feet distance between the arms and the body. Keep the head straight. Now bring your awareness on the breath for a while. Here I will make you 2 minutes of Shavasana because of your short of time. But if you are free, you can utilize Shavasana video in Raghavendra Yoga channel. If you type Shavasana part 1, you get it. You can practice 5-minute Shavasana or 7-minute Shavasana according to flexibility of time. Here go for the deep and slow breathing for a while. Now join the legs gently, hands by side of the body, straight the right hand over the head, fold the left leg, turn the body towards right, come up gently, practice asanas, few asanas in the sequence in your short time, you will be benefited, and we will meet you in the next episode with great yogic topic. Happy time.